If you are struggling to improve your English, it's probably not your fault. I would say probably you don't have a good grammar, you don't have good number of vocabulary that you need to communicate with other people to make conversations a little bit more interesting. However, in today's video, I'm going to show you the automatic learning routine where it will help you to improve your English or even any language by simply tweaking your daily habits and no extra time needed. Well, what are you doing in the morning when you wake up? What do you do all the time when you wake up in the morning? I would say the first thing you wake up in the morning, you set the tone for your entire day, right? When you set the entire day, when you set the tone for your entire day, why not to start your day by English? Change your phone language to English. Read an English quote. For example, there's a quote says, "Small things done consistently produce big results over time." Or even think about your plans for the day in English. Instead of "I need coffee," say it to English rather than saying it in your language. "I'm going to make a cup of tea." These tiny moments add up to big results because small things done consistently produce big results over time. What I mean, you need to think in English rather than thinking in your native language. Second, I would say you need to listen while you are doing other things. Multitasking, basically. We all have routines actually, but committing to them, exercising, cooking, or even use the time to listen rather than just focusing on one thing, because it's all about passive listening. English podcasts, watch YouTubers videos, or play music. Your brain gets used to sounds, and rhythm and intonations will help you to make it into autopilot. Because the more you listen, it will help you to improve your pronunciation, will help you to improve your rhythm and also your intonation patterns. Well, what's about shadowing technique? A shadowing technique, the more you listen to people, the more you imitate native speakers. Everything you heard of shadowing is powerful techniques where you listen to native speakers and repeat after them immediately, no pausing, right while watching your favorite English show podcast. You will improve your pronunciation. It will help you to improve your rhythm and even confidence. It's very important, fundamental to mimic and copy native speakers, and it will help you to learn pronunciation even more naturally. And also, what I would highly suggest, you have to challenge yourself. Text writing in English. Challenge yourself to text friends, for example. When you write, you want to say hello to a friend, write in English. These thoughts, even journal your day, even single sentence a day helps you. For example, instead of writing like about a busy day in your life, I mean, native language, that it doesn't work. Try to write it in English. Whatever language you're learning, it will help you to figure out. The more you use it, the more natural you will sound. Also talk to your friends. I know this sounds a little bit weird, but trust me, it works. Narrate your actions in English. It's like making a tea. Now I'm sitting down to work. It forces you to think in English and builds fluency naturally. Plus, no one will judge you. No one cares. Unless they catch up talking to yourself. Also, what I would highly suggest, you need to end your day with English. Ultimately, just think in English. I think before bed, consuming something in English, a book or short video, or even just reviewing any words that you've learned today, your brain processes all this information overnight, making it easier to remember. A little English before bed is better progress over time. Small things done consistently produce big results over time. And that's all about it. These are the strategies to help you how to think in English, and of course how to tweak it in your daily routine to help you level up even more better. And that's it. Learning English doesn't have to be stressful. Built into your daily habits, and it becomes effortless, which one of these habits, of course, you are practicing into your day-to-day life. Let me know in the comment section below, and let me know as well what language you're learning at the moment. English, French, German, Arabic, whatever language you're learning. I hope this video will help you to figure out how to manage your time.